Good morning. So, spring season is round the corner. We celebrated Basant Panchami yesterday, and we're all experiencing a change in taste buds from desiring, warm foods and, a lot of high calorie foods. We're all wanting juicy and refreshing foods. This kind of a craving, according to a change in weather, is quite normal. But, some people have strange cravings. They crave indigestible things like wood, paper, charcoal, clay, and this kind of a craving, for things which have no nutritive value, is called pica. Pica, pica. So when you come to us with this kind of a craving at the Integrated Wellness Clinic, we try to understand your cause. Medical causes of pica, generally in pregnancy, most of the women start desiring this kind of a thing: lime, slate, earth, even earth. This is very often related to nutritional deficiencies, anemia, lack of zinc or iron, these kind of nutritive deficiencies. But we see that pica is very often linked to a certain kind of mental disorders as well, where the person is not able to understand what he's eating. Those are very difficult cases to treat. We try to treat the mental illness, and this kind of a treatment is takes very long. But sometimes because of a stress, children start eating paper or clay or other indigestible things. These are quite treatable. So nail biting also is a can be included in pica. Very very common in children these days, even in young and adult population. Also, it could be related to your behavior, just a kind of a tick, whenever you are not able to cope up with stress, you tear a piece of paper, put it into your mouth, start chewing, and slowly you get into the habit of swallowing it as well. So in homeopathy we have a variety of remedies each specific to your condition, wherein remedies like alumina, calcarea phos, nitric acid, lachesis, silicia, these are general remedies for pica. Then specific remedies, if you desire sand or earth, we have a remedy called tarantula. If you're desiring charcoal, burnt charcoal, calcarea or soranum. If you desire earth, कई लोग कहते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा मिट्टी खाता है, या वट एवर द सरफेस इज डस्टी, द चाइल्ड वुड just stick her finger on it and then lick it. These kind of children will need natrimeo, nitric acid, sepia. Desire for paper has lac caninum. Wood also, specific remedies: cannabis indica, pulse, sepia, nux vomica. So while I was researching for what remedies we have for pica, even though I've been in the profession for 20 years, some remedies came to me as a surprise, and I'm really really astonished at the vast repertoire of remedies which we have in our homeopathic system to help you with this kind of strange cravings. These kind of cravings can very often lead to medical complications, not only nutritional deficiencies. Intestinal obstruction could result from frequent use of these kind of indigestible objects, and obviously you can land up with a medical emergency. So this kind of a strange problem, we at the Integrated Wellness Clinic like to take up challenges, strange problems, strange complaints. We put in the best of all the three modalities. The allopathic system, our clinical medicine specialist Dr. Ruby Bansal will diagnose you. I am the homeopath Dr. Priya Kapoor. I will pull in the homeopathic support, and our clinical nutritionist Dr. Deepika Kohli will obviously take care of your nutrition while your system comes back to normal. This is our approach at the Integrated Wellness Clinic. Kindly contact us as soon as possible. We are here to help you with your strange and peculiar complaints and diseases. Jai Hind.